I just wanted to share with you how I felt today. I was just kind of thinking, help, help, help. I am going crazy, crazy, crazy at home with my children. Um, just couldn't cope with them yesterday. I was tired, I was fed up. Are you tired? Are you fed up about this coronavirus? I certainly am. And I just wanted to say as well, I speak to so many people and meet so many people and hold so many different groups where we chat with each other. And it's totally and utterly normal not to feel great all the time. It's okay not to be okay. So if you're kind of going up and down, struggling with depression or anxiety, you are not alone. There's so many people struggling at the moment with depression and anxiety, and it's all okay. Don't beat yourself up to think you're the only one, and you should be okay with everything because it's absolutely fine if you're not. So let me know how you're doing, how you're getting on with everything. I would love to hear from you. Um, and if you need any support, and you are in Keynsham, I've got some free groups on through the Wellbeing College, so check out the Wellbeing College. And I'm live on here every weekday sharing tips, and particularly on our Fridays, we share kind of a relaxation tip. So if that's of benefit for you, do use those because I don't want you to feel you're struggling alone, because you are definitely not alone. There's many people out there. I know when I struggled with really bad depression after my daughter was born, I thought I'm the only one who ever feels this way. I didn't realise how many people suffer from depression or anxiety or just with their mental health. Um, but I think lots of people are just kind of afraid to talk about it. But I can tell you from all the forms that I get back from my students when their registration forms, medical forms, there's so many ticks on the boxes for depression and anxiety. So it is out there, it's completely okay. What can we do to manage it? What can you do to help yourself if you are struggling with that? I mean, it might be something as simple as going and taking a 5-minute walk around the block, or having a hot bath, um, trying to find out something that works for you. And if you're in a really bad way, then just calling your doctor and reaching out, because there is support out there for you. Um, so I'd love to hear from people if you have struggled with that in the past or you are now, and if you've got any top tips. I know some of people that I know from a meditation group say they often kind of put the negative thought, into a bubble and then visualize that bubble going away. I found for me actually, when I was struggling with depression, nothing really much helped, but a walk did make me feel a lot better. And really, when I was struggling with depression, it was because I wasn't looking after myself as number one. I was putting my daughter, my newborn daughter, first, and trying to act a certain way and be the perfect mother that I wanted to be. And actually, that just wasn't possible for me because I was just really unhappy trying to give to my husband and my daughter all the time. And then I learned that the hard way, that I needed to look after myself, my mental health, my physical health, going out for walks, doing things that I enjoyed, and making myself a priority. And then when made myself a priority, I could then offer more to my family and others. So I hope this video may have been of help to some of you. Just want to let you know that you are not alone. Take care. Bye bye.